Hey Super Bowl fans, it's Super Bowl Sunday, and you want to make some appetizers. Well, my name is Rockin Raffi, and we're going to make 2 appetizers for you right here today. In our last video, I showed you how simple it is to make a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. And this is just another idea of how to serve the winning champion Super Bowl team's favorite food, Philly cheesesteak everywhere. So, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get our game on. The Philly cheesesteak sliders, and we've got the Philly cheesesteak nachos.
Now it's time to dive right in. What shall we do first? Let's try the nachos. Best nachos I've ever tasted in this world. Now, let's try the Philly cheesesteak sliders. Grab that. Nice and warm. And the Philly cheesesteak slider is the best munchable finger food I have ever had. These are bound to make any party a blast. People are going to be asking for this recipe. And you're going to say, you watch it right here on Rockin Raffi's YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe right down below. And by the way, there's a little bell next to the subscribe button. Go ahead and click that and you will be notified on when my next videos are uploaded. And to the Philadelphia Eagles, cheers on your victory win against the New England Patriots. And until next time, keep on riding.